Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share a tool I recently came across called Gid. Now, I'm not here to promote it, I'm just genuinely impressed by what it offers and thought it might be useful for some of you. Gid is essentially a platform that helps you create step-by-step guides in a visual, easy-to-digest format. If you're someone who frequently shares processes or tutorials, whether at work or elsewhere, this might be worth checking out. One thing I like is how versatile it is. Whether you're onboarding a new hire, helping a friend with tech support, or even creating personal reminders for complex tasks, it's just simple and effective. It's not something I use every day, but when I do, it really helps. So yeah, if you're curious, I'd say give Gid a look. It's not for everyone, but if you deal with processes or instructions a lot, it could be a game changer. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it or if you have other tools like this you'd recommend. Thanks for hanging out with me today, see you in the next video.